Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful email template in Canva and then seamlessly use it with Mailchimp for your newsletter. Whether you're a business owner hoping to jazz up your emails or you're just looking to add a personal touch to your newsletter, you'll finish this video knowing exactly how to design, export, and import your own custom email templates. Let's jump right in and get creative. Alright, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, no worries, it's an incredibly user-friendly online design platform that makes it easy to create just about anything, including email templates. Once you're on Canva, either start from scratch with a blank design or use one of their many pre-made templates as a starting point. Choosing a template can really speed things up, especially if you need a layout that's already optimized for newsletters. Look for something with clear sections for text, images, and buttons. As you design, keep your brand colors, logo, or any personal touches you want your readers to see. Think about your audience too. Are you aiming for something fun and bold or sleek and professional? Take your time to arrange the elements and preview your work as you go. This is your chance to really set the tone for your emails. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to share and download it. In the upper right corner of Canva, you'll see the Share button. Go ahead and give that a click. From there, choose the Download option. Here's an important step. When you're prompted to select a file type, I recommend downloading your design as a PNG or JPEG for a balance between image quality and file size. If your email includes clickable links, you'll want to download it as a PDF, but for most basic newsletter graphics, an image file works great in Mailchimp. Don't worry if you're unsure, you can always try both formats to see which looks better in your email later. Now that you have your design saved to your computer, let's switch gears and head over to Mailchimp. Sign into your Mailchimp dashboard and navigate to the area where you create campaigns or newsletters. Click on the button to create a new email and choose Design Email or whatever prompt you see to start editing your newsletter. This is where the magic happens. Inside the Mailchimp editor, you'll see various blocks and sections you can add or rearrange, but what we want is to upload that Canva design you just created. Look for the image block and drag it into your email layout wherever you want your template to appear. When you click on that block, you'll get the option to upload an image. Go ahead and locate the Canva file you saved earlier and upload it here. It might take a few seconds to appear, especially if it's a bigger file, so just be patient. Once it's loaded, you can resize or position it to fit the email perfectly. If you see any issues with how it looks, don't stress. You can always hop back into Canva, tweak your design, re-download, and try again until it feels just right. And there you have it, your Canva email template is now right inside Mailchimp, ready to impress your audience. You can add more Mailchimp content blocks around it, write your message, and send it off when you're ready. It's a fantastic way to combine Canva's creative freedom with the powerful email tools in Mailchimp. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and drop me a comment if you have any questions or got stuck anywhere along the way. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy designing!